Master the workplace. Power up with phrasal verbs. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our series on phrasal verbs. Today, we're diving into an incredibly useful and interesting area: phrasal verbs for work tasks and responsibilities. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a range of phrasal verbs that are commonly used in the work environment. So, let's get started. First things first, what are phrasal verbs? Well, they are phrases which consist of a verb in combination with either an adverb or a preposition. The combination creates a new meaning, often very different from the original verb. For example, the verb take has a different meaning when used alone. But if we pair it with the preposition on, as in take on, the meaning changes to assume a responsibility. This new meaning is an essential part of understanding and using English effectively, particularly in a work context. Let's start our workday journey by looking at phrasal verbs for starting work. Set up. This means to prepare equipment or software for use. I need to set up my laptop before the presentation. Kick off. To begin a project or a meeting. We'll kick off the project as soon as the boss arrives. Get down to start working seriously on something. Once the meeting is over, I need to get down to finishing my report. Now you've started your day, let's look at some phrasal verbs for progressing with work. Carry on. This means to continue doing something. Despite the noise, we decided to carry on with our meeting. Follow through, to continue something until it is completed. She always follows through on her tasks. Work out. This can mean to solve a problem or to formulate a plan. We need to work out a solution to this issue. Lastly, let's take a look at some phrasal verbs for completing work. Wrap up. This means to complete or finish something. Let's wrap up the meeting so we can start our weekend. Hand in, to submit work or a report. Don't forget to hand in your assignments before leaving. Sign off, to approve an action or decision, or to end a broadcast or a message. The boss needs to sign off on this before we can proceed. And there you have it. Some very useful phrasal verbs that will help you describe your work tasks and responsibilities with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these in your daily conversation as much as you can. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and you'll soon sound more natural and confident at your workplace. Until next time, happy learning and keep powering up your English with phrasal verbs.